Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have a very fun unboxing for you guys. And actually I do want to mention that I'm using my iPhone to film because my Canon G7X is actually in the repair shop because it went for a little tumble and I want to see if they are able to repair it. I do know I'm due for a new camera, so I'm in the middle of figuring out if I want to just get a new iPhone and use like two phones, or if I want to go just get the DJI, or if I want to get another Canon. I'm trying to figure that out, but for now we're using my regular iPhone 13 Pro to film, and I have a really fun unboxing today. This will be my first Bottega Veneta bag. And you're probably still wondering where the Hermes video is. I'm gonna get to it eventually, okay guys? I don't know. I haven't filmed it yet and I really need to, but I'm excited to unbox this and I figured I would unbox it for you guys together. So I have my handy dandy little switchies and it's a carrot, which is so super cute. It surprisingly came with the Bottega Veneta bag. I don't think they had boxes. I didn't ask. To be honest, I don't think I would even want a box anymore because I'm just starting to accumulate so many of these unnecessary packaging. Although it is just fun as presentation to get the box and everything like this. I met a wonderful sales associate at the Bottega store on Bloor at Holt Renfrew, and although I don't love shopping at Holt Renfrew because I've had such issues before with them, I've now met a lot of really lovely SAs. Like at Loewe there's Isura, and then at Bottega I shop with Kyle. So if you are interested, shoot me a DM or leave me a comment and I will connect you with them. They are so lovely because I walked into Bottega after I went to Chanel to pick up my Chanel flats like maybe a month ago, and then I asked him about this bag in the specific colorway and he was like, sorry, we don't have it, but I think it might be coming in. So he took my information down, he kept me in the loop, and then lo and behold, he gave me a message. He sent me a message and said, hey, we got it in, do you want it? So I asked him if I could come in and take a look at it. I actually did have to leave a deposit for the item, but if I didn't want it, it was fully refundable, which is great. But it was because it was transferring from Quebec to the Toronto Bloor Street store. And I believe the Yorkdale store, I don't know if they have this specific colorway available. However, they do have the little charms that you can purchase and put on the bag, so I might have to end up going there just so I can do that, but whatever. This is the bag itself. Let's slice this open. Wow, it is not slicing open very nicely. He did that real nice. Anyways, so here she is. Oh my god. Got caught on my sweater. So let's see what's inside the bag. So there's a little care booklet inside. This is my first Bottega bag. You guys know that I am very partial to like very specific brands. I don't own anything from like YSL, Balenciaga. I was never really interested in. I did like the Neo City, but not enough to purchase it. And then the whole controversy happened and I was like, well, good thing I never purchased anything from that brand. And what else? I don't have anything from Prada. So my tastes are pretty like, I don't know, to myself, I don't really like go based on like trends. I like a lot of classic bags, but without further ado, here we go. This dust bag is so nice. It is gorgeous quality, and then it has the Bottega Veneta on there, and here she is. So may I introduce to you the Wallace Mini. What I like about the Bottega Wallace is that it has the classic Bottega Intrecciato leather, so it's the weaving. It is made out of a calf skin, so it is really nice and supple and smooth, but if you look really closely, and I don't know if the iPhone will pick it up, but there is like a little bit of texture to the skin. It's not exactly smooth like a lambskin is, which is great. So this actually buttons and unbuttons, so you can wear it like this on your shoulder if you'd like, or if you want it a little bit more handheld, I can unbutton it, because then these slide down and then over, and then you just have to align the snaps together and it will button up together like this. So you can wear it two ways. This is the Mini Wallace, if I didn't mention that already. There is feet on the bottom, which is really nice. But overall, a 360 of this bag, you cannot tell what brand this is unless you are a Bottega fan. And I really like that about this bag. And I really like the color. It is in the color Fondant. And it was a little bit harder to get just because I think it's a very popular colorway. I think with this bag, I'm gonna notice a lot of this lifting happening because of how it is structured. It's very similar to like the Jody, being that it's like a little bit boat shaped, but not the Jody. I'm just not a fan of the Jody. I never was. I was never really a fan of a lot of the Bottega bags. I really like the hobo ones that Bottega does come with. I think mostly I'm going to be wearing it this way, which is really nice. I did find out that Bottega bags are still handmade, which is really great, because going forward with the prices that we pay for these things, I do want to make sure that the fashion house is taking care and making these things by hand, or, you know, with quality. And unfortunately, I do own like Louis Vuitton and Chanel. Those are not handmade. However, Hermes, I think Gucci is half handmade, half machine. And then Bottega is handmade, Loewe is handmade, which is really nice. But what I really love about this bag was that there was super minimal branding on it. So you really cannot tell that it is Bottega unless you knew what the Wallace looks like. So there's the snap, in case you were wondering what that looked like. You can't wear this crossbody because like it's just the shoulder strap, but I'm really into wearing my bags in the crook of my arm lately. I really like that. I also think it's going to be really cute when it's a little bit more slouchy and you can wear it like so, but it fits a lot of things. I can fit a Fairlife protein shake in here, which is great. On the inside, if you look in there, it is just a bottomless pit. There's nothing. There's not even a single pocket on the side for anything, but there is a little debossing in there that says Bottega Veneta made in Italy. And then on the side, there's also a little tab that is very strange. And it says Bottega Veneta made in Italy. And then it says, oh my God, it's very dark. I cannot read it. I think it's just like the authenticity or something like that. But even the zipper here, you can't notice that there's anything on it. It doesn't say Bottega or anything like that. But I'm very happy with it. The zipper, I have to say, is not like a smooth zipper like Loewe's. Like Loewe's is like, and it's like, doesn't give me any issues. I think I might have to rub some wax paper on here, and then that way it'll glide a little bit better. But even the zipper, it doesn't say like Bottega or anything like that. It's a very bare bones bag, but the price point is really excellent. So I will link it down below for you guys to check out in case you are interested. That is just my first impressions unboxing. I really am excited about this bag because yeah, the brown color I think is just stunning. Right, everyone, that is it for today's little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are looking for a great essay inside the little Bottega store at Haute Renfrew on Bloor, shoot me a comment down below. I will connect you to Kyle. He is so lovely. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys want an update on this bag when I use it a little bit more, and I will see you on Instagram _HelloHarley. See you on TikTok at HelloHarley. Bye-bye.